Hi, my name is Angel Blanes and I am a student of engineer in mechatronic in FIME, and I would like to present my interview.
What is name of the company where you would like to work and the position to which you aspire?
Based on my research, the company that I like to join is Castellec International, where I prefer to work as an automation engineer. This position involves areas that I want to specialize in, such as interface design, implementing automated improvements, and so on.
Have you already taken A2OAPL test? What was the result you got?
Yeah, I took the TOEFL exam, and scored 49%, yeah, which is actually lower than I expect. I need to work hard to improve and reach at least 80%.
Do you have a plan to study English?
Well, my plan for studying English is total immersion. Basically, I want my life to become English and everything around me, or at least most of it, will encourage to me to practice it.
Where are you going to study?
Uh, well, mm, I also plan to study in a language school. Harmon Hall seemed like a good option.
How many hours a week are you going to study?
I will dedicate 7 or 8 hours a week to studying there. Yeah.
Then you are going to start studying it.
I plan to study. To start the study in early December.
Finally, tell me why is it important for you to study English?
I think it's very important to study English. Science is extremely necessary in the workplace, to the point where it becomes essential for communicating with clients abroad, for reading manuals in that language. Likewise, I think it's crucial to learn English outside of that context, because most people learn to speak this language, and it's one of the language most people use to communicate. Yeah, and yeah, that's all for my interview. Thank you very much for your attention.
Good evening, my name is Andrea Ruiz and I'm a student at FIME and I'm studying the career of mechatronic engineering and I would like to start with my interview.
What is the name of the company where you would like to work and the position to which you aspire?
I would like to work in equity breast lightning and the position that I'm aspiring to is to be a quality engineer.
Have you already taken a TOEFL test? What was the result you got?
Yes, I have already taken a TOEFL test and the result that I got was an 80 out of 100, which I checked online, and it's about a B2 and a C1.
The level of English required for the position is advanced. Do you have a plan to study English?
I think that I have a pretty fluent English, but obviously I wouldn't deny an extra course to always improve my English, so I will be really happy to take another one.
Where are you going to study it?
I would like to study in the same school that I took my first English courses, which is a school called Splendid School of English.
How many hours a week are you going to study?
I think I will study 3 hours a week on Saturdays, which are the days that I'm off school and I'm free.
Date you are going to start studying it?
I would like to start studying it on the new year. I feel that it's a very good chance to start of something new and take an extra course to always improve your English is going to be great. And I think doing it with the new year, it's a great way to start the year.
Finally, tell me, why is it important for you to study English?
The most important thing for me to study English is for personal purposes and also for professional purposes, because most of the companies that we apply to are international. So I think that if there was a chance, the people or the engineers or the managers will always look at the people that already know English. So it's easier for you to be picked out of all of the employees. So I think it will be a great experience to visit another country because, for example, in my case, that I'm applying to Equity Burns Lightning, it's an international company. So they have a lot of factories all over the United States and in Europe, and I think also in Canada. So it will be a great experience to visit another country, to know a little bit about the culture, and also to speak with a native, and also go and to work with things that you love. So that I think is the most important thing because it can open a lot of doors for you in your professional life, and I think you can have better experiences and better opportunities than other people that don't know English. So that's what I think English is so important, and thank you so much for having me.
Good morning, Mr. Daphne. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be here today. I am truly excited about this interview and to share my background with you. Okay?
It is a pleasure, Milthon. Please tell me more about yourself.
My name is Milton David Franco Martinez. I am 22 years. I'm studying in mechatronic engineering and I'm Mexican.
What is the name of the company where you would like to QPRK and the position to which you aspire?
I am preparing to grade it for a position at Atlas Copco. This is a company. I aspire to work as a control engineer.
Have you already taken a TOEFL test?
Yes,
What was the result you got?
I have already taken the TOEFL test. My score was 43%. I know this means I need to improve. I need to study. And I am motivated to reach an advanced level.
The required level of English for the position is advanced. Do you have a plan to study English?
Yes, I have already taken a plan. I have a plan. Science the position, read advanced English. I have a clean plan to study. In quick learning, this is a academy language in my country.
Where are you going to study?
I will study English through the smart plan and quick learning, which offers structured and intensive course.
How many hours a week are you going to study?
For me, I plan to dedicate 8 hours per week, communication and personal practice. For me, it's very important speaking and listening the language. In this plan, this is the principal objective.
Date you are going to start studying it?
Yes, I will start next year for the January. I will continue until I reach advanced proficiencies.
Finally, tell me, why is it important for you to study English?
I will start. I study English is very important. It's a good question. Uh, Study English it's important because it's the international language of engineering, of technology, professional communication. For me, mastering English means being able to collaborate with global teams in other countries, uh, to understand technical documentation, forms, and growth in my career at Atlas Copco. It's very, very important. Okay?
See you later, Milfon.
See you later, Daphne.
Good morning. My name is Alexis, and it's a pleasure to meet you.
What is the name of the company where you work?
I am a laboratory technician and turner.
Have you already taken a TOEFL test? What was the result you got?
If I take the test, the TOEFL, my score was 49, which was very low. So I need to study more because the English is very important.
Do you have a plan to study English?
I plan to enroll in an advanced course English. I am currently evaluating options because I need to study more for the TOEFL.
Tell me, why is it important for you to study English?
In the jobs, in the industries, the English is very important because it helps you get better jobs and open opportunities internationally.